In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a friend on Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, for you to be able to add a friend on Discord, what you're going to do that is you want to send a friend request. You're going to select the community or server. So from here, you can see there are a whole lot of individuals right here. So I want to add Austin as a friend, right? So I want to send Austin a friend request. I'm going to right click my mouse, see the profile. So I just added Austin up, right? So you can see this is Austin. I added him up. So I wait for him to accept my request. Once he has accepted my request, we're gonna be friends right away. So this is how you can add a friend here on Discord. If you found this video helpful, share it with me in the comment section. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this video. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.